How to change call screen animation on iPhone in iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to change call screen on iPhone, open the phone application on your device and go to Contacts. Here tap on your name and then tap on Contact Photo and Poster. You will see an option for Edit here. Tap on that. You can now go ahead and tap on the Create New button and start customizing your call screen. You can choose to take a picture instantly or add from your photos, or you can also choose to add Memoji or monogram. Select the best suited option for you. I will tap on Memoji. Select your Memoji and now tap on Next and then make the necessary changes like changing the background color and the name. Once done, tap on Done and then on Continue and then on Continue again, and this is how you can change call screen animation on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.